Side of content bail.
Yeah.
So lordship
Pardon?
specifically fixed to 24.
Please give me.
My lordship is here 327 by 23 tied of the bell
Single page, sir.
single row.
Give it.
Tied of nothing. Supplementary list. Item number 1.
Item 1 may please. Said offense merits with the present person appearance is arrest in connection with the merits for the alleged offenses 305 and 331 clause 2 and 331 clause 4 of BNS Act. In the said case, means the my lordship has the co-accused person has released on bail, means my lordship.
What is the on the same footing?
Okay.
The same footing.
Yeah, yes, my lordship. The same affair, the same cause.
Order ka din. FIR unknown thila magistrate tribal offense confessional statement of co-accused रे एମାନଙ୍କୁ increase କରାଇଛି ଗୋଟେ accused ତା ଦେହରୁ bail ରେ ଯାଇଛି anticipatory bail ଇଏ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ accused same footing କରିବେ ଖାଲି କହିବେ and similarly situated co-accused has been directed. Yes, allowed. Next.
Obliged. Next, item 2 is also mentioned same.
Same.
Minus. Obliged.
Item 3.
May I please? This is not a tied up matter, my lord.
Then why it has come?
That FIR was initially registered, my lord. That was ended with the final request. On being protest, my lord, a complaint case has been filed. I have prayer, my lord, in 1CC case.
No, if it is not a tied up matter, why it has
Yes,
come?
it is.
Like on Mr. S.K.Sahoo, land counsel for the petitioner submits that this is not a tied up matter. Registrar shall place this matter before the assigned bench. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 4.
Number 1 is 73 or already model.
Tied up matter. Upon agur
Agree petitioner along with her son, who is the husband of the deceased, and Lordship directed to surrender both of them and to move for bail.
Yeah.
Apparently, the husband of the deceased surrender and has been granted bail by this Hon'Ble Court. I have annexed the order of this Hon'Ble Court. I had annexed a plea.
Then why you also surrender? You will be released on bail.
Lordship can observe that dictionary 73 or older.
The land counsel for the petitioner submits that earlier the petitioner approached this court in ADLAPL number 5482 of 2024, and her husband Prasanna Kumar Nayak also approached this court for anticipatory bail in ADLAPL number 5487 of 2024, and both the matters were heard analogously and disposed of by common order dated 30/5/2024. And both the petitioners in the aforesaid two anticipatory bail applications were asked to surrender in the court below to move petition for bail. The land counsel submits that the petitioner could not surrender.
There are two of them. Two petitions.
Oh, two petitions.
Yes, what is the mother-in-law? No, we connected with the family.
Petition number 1 লিখবে তার সেটা কেবল বিলাসিনী আসছিল তো সেটা
Again, বিলাসিনী আসছে
petitioner number 1 could not surrender. However, the husband of the petitioner number 1 surrendered.
Husband of the deceased, not petitioner. The petitioner and the mother-in-law of the deceased.
Just a minute. So say you
husband of the deceased.
Husband of the deceased. ଇଏ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେଟା ପ୍ରସନ୍ନଟା ହଉଛି ୟାର ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ଆର କଣ ହବ?
Deceased husband.
No, यार कौन हो गई
Puo.
Son of the like that, no? The son of the petitioner is also the husband of the deceased, surrendered in compliance of the order dated 35/2024, and he has been directed to be released on bail by this court. Ultimately, in BLAPL number
9102 of 2024
9102 of 2024
on
by
record 4/12/2024
4/12/2024
My
order copy is
Annexure 2
which he has annexed to this anticipatory bail application as annexure 2. He submits that the claim of parity, the petitioner is now ready and willing to surrender in the court below and move an application for bail. Petitioners ready and willing to sue, and the claim of parity will be co-accused taken into account. When counsel for the state has no serious objection, surrender करिए 4 weeks भीतर
record में भी translated
ସବୁ ରହିବ
SBI भी also
first hour ये ରହିବ ଯାହା ଥିଲା ତାର disposal କଥା claim of parity का main କଥା लिखिए
सिटी में भी आगे भी ଅଛି
हाँ
Oblige.
Item 5.
This is a Belgium matter. The petitioner was forwarded to the court on 7/8/2010 and the bail was allowed, page 14 minor, on 10/4/2012. On 25/8/2015, my lord, NBW was issued against the petitioner. Again, he was apprehended on 18/11/20. All the accused persons have been released on bail by this honorable court. And the last order has been uploaded, my lord. This is the last order.
yes ma'am. Obsequious ceremony पे पूरा बिल दिया गया
My lord.
it's a different matter, but the prayer was made because the father has expired and performed the obsequious ceremony.
My lord.
He should have been granted bail for a temporary period to perform the obsequious ceremony and surrender, but bail was granted. And thereafter, NBW was issued in 25/8/2015. When you were apprehended,
18/11/24. Page 16. Rejection order.
or the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state. The land counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner was on bail. However, due to non-taking of steps on 25/8/2015, Hon'Ble warrant of arrest issued against him, and he was taken into judicial custody on 18/11/2024. बाकी सब बेल्जियम फॉर्मेट रे allow करते हैं.
Item 6.
Graphite matter गुड़ाक जो murder case.
This case on order of bail application pending because this one only last order is also call for the status report of that. I pray for along with that bail application.
या दे ऑर्डर गुड पास ही थला.
ଏଥିରେ ହେଇନଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ ଏଟା ନୂଆ ମ୍ୟାଟର
So the order pass it like so status of the case.
This is connected to those
Minor.
matters.
All
Give those numbers.
1285
नहीं आपण ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜ ଲେଖି the land counsel for the petitioner submits that keteta of bail application gotte da
Gotte
BLAPL number
gotte
so and so is a connected matter, and the matter be placed along with this matter. Mr. Abhijit Patnaik, Land Counsel, appearing for the informant, also submits that the said BLAPL is connected to this one. Place this matter along with BLAPL so and so. Seven be same. Oh. तमारे total 3टा केस अछि कि BLAPL अछि. Oh.
Item 8.
So item 8 I'm praying for an urgent middle also. Can you take them next week?
You have to fresh bail application order, no? नहीं, case diary अछि. अच्छा, Land Counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Land Counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary, as well as to take instruction about the criminal antecedent put of this matter. Next,
I'm supplying the deposition copy of some witnesses.
the Land Counsel for the petitioner has filed the deposition copies of the witnesses which are taken on record. And the same are also supplied to the Land Counsel for the state. Matter list next year and yes, next.
Item 9.
And the president of question 11/2/2022 mile 20B2C of 20 NDPS Act mile quantity of 100 kg 120 grams of
Time quantity food is
mile of quantity
no commercial quantity.
mile of 20B2C.
Anything case day? Eta kon ye case PRO asingi. Na FIR is. FIR. All right. CD criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Status report.
Status report.
Item 10.
कौन कहले मु सुनी पहले
100 clause 1 and other
100.
clause 1 of PNS.
No, you want adjournment of this. You have got the case diary. All right. Land Counsel for the state submits that he has received the case diary. The Land Counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. This is the adjournment.
Informational plan.
Ajas, so and so files power to be informant. So the name of the Land Counsel for the informant be reflected in the cause distance. Yes.
Item 11.
Proceeding manual 1920 NDPS Act 29 5. 15 witness minus 3 witness only again 5 is government. Lordship in order to on the right time surrender this. Last time when you have been released on bail, in which BLAPL? 4519 of 2014 at 24.
No, my 8002 of 2020 and 4519 2024 man.
Yeah, to Puchi. By order dated 12/7/2024, you are granted interim bail for a period of 3 months. You surrender at right time. So what is his conduct during that period?
You have filed the rejection order dated 5/8/22.
Rejection order है.
My lord.
कौन लिखा है ये?
कहाँ से आके 22 order 5/8/22.
The principal accused my lord.
Whether he surrendered or not.
Just a minute. No, are you not following his argument?
No.
The counsel submitting that you are granted interim bail for a period of 3 months. By order dated 12/7/2024. 3 मास जति आपण बेल ले जाइथिबे ताले आपण सरेंडर करथिबे एटलिस्ट 10 मसिया रे 12/10 पर सरेंडर करथिबे तनु तापरे आपण बेल मूव करिया कथा ट्रायल कोर्ट रे आपण ये ऑर्डर टी एनेक्स करछन रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर टा सेटा होची 5/8/2022 that shows that after availing the interim bail period, you have never moved the trial court again for bail, and you have annexed that old bail rejection order, which is not permissible. So you withdraw this and file a better one.
Principal accused already released.
You are not following perhaps. ଆପଣ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବେଲ ମୁଭ୍ କରିବେ, ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିବ ତାପରେ ଟିକେ ଆସିବେ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ବେଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆପଣ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରିଥିବେ କମ ସେ କମ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ମାସରେ, ଆଉ ଏଠି ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ମାସର ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡର ଜାଣିଦେଲେ କେମିତି ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ୍ ହବ ହେଲା। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, it appears that the petitioner approached this court last time in BLAPL number 4519 of 2024, and he was directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months. I had order dated 12/7/2024. The rejection order, which is annexed to the bail application, is dated 5/8/2022. Therefore, it appears that after availing the interim bail period, the petitioner has there is nothing on record that after availing the interim bail period, the petitioner has surrendered and moved again for bail before the learned trial court. The learned counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw this bail application to file a fresh bail application in accordance with law. Yes.
Pardon to mention, another bail application also pending.
CM.
Item 12.
May I please your lordship? My lord, my bail application was earlier rejected on 25/7/2024 on the last portions of the order on the observation that the trial court is also directed to take all such effective steps as provided in law for early examination of the witnesses in the trial.
Mr. Sahoo.
My lord, BLAPL number 5856 of 2024. I have written in my cost title, my lord.
Where is that order?
That's my lord.
That copy of that order.
No, my lord, I have not annexed. But I have written, my lord, in my cost title that earlier number and the other numbers in which other co-accused persons has already released on bail.
What you have mentioned in the what order was passed in that
Yes.
last time?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that? Which paragraph?
My lord.
କିଛି ଲେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି?
Again, paragraph 10, my lord.
Paragraph 10 କଣ ଲେଖି?
That the petitioner moved bail application earlier before this honorable court. It was directed the petitioner to move his bail application at latter stage. Thereafter, a long gap and period of therein the finding of petitioner.
The petitioner submits that last time the petitioner approached this court in BLAPL number
5856
of 2024, which was disposed of on
25/7/2024, my lord.
But you have mentioned in your post title that it was disposed of on 6/7/2024. Post title or second page with the
my lord.
You have mentioned that it was disposed of 5856/24 was disposed of on 6/7/24.
In my post title, my lord, present form in BLAPL number 5856 of 2024, comma, then ABLAPL number 13.
ତାପରେ ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ ଆଡ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫାଇଲରେ ବି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି? ଏଟା ପରେ ହାତରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ disposed of on 6/7/24.
ଆଜ୍ଞା I'm not add କରିବି sir.
Submit that so and so by 58 which has already been disposed of. Let the land counsel for the petitioner produce the copy of the said order on the next date. You have received the case diary? The land counsel for the state submits that he is having the case diary. Yes, next.
Item 13.
Maybe. My lord, the type of bail application, my lord. Meantime, my lord, co-accused persons has been granted bail. Annexed to 3 running page 15, my lord. 3094, my lord. Corresponding to offense is 392, my lord. Regarding snatching of a mobile, my lord, it was seized from the co-accused persons. And they have granted bail. Running page 15.
15. Magistrate tribal offense. You are in custody since when?
My lord, custody since 10/11/2020.
Are the land and council for the petition, land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in official custody since 10/11/2020, and similarly situated accused persons have been directed to be released on bail by this court. PL number 13052/2020. I had order dated 3/1/2025. The offense is traveled by magistrate, and the subject matter of robbery is a mobile phone which has already been covered. And after hearing the land and council for the state, and inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 14.
Lord, item 14, I'm appearing through VC on behalf of Mr. Mohanty, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, an IA has been filed for conversion of the bail application to CRLA since because SC/ST Act is involved, your lordship.
The learning council mention is made on behalf of Mr. Mahanti that an interim application has been filed for conversion of this BLAPL CRLA, since offenses involved in this case are under section under offenses under SC and ST POA Act. Let the registry place the IA.
My lord, the IA is there on board, my lord. IA 42 of 2025 at flag.
Oh, acha, it is already there.
Yes, your lordship.
IA number so and so. It's a direct IA for change of nomenclature so and so. After hearing the land council so and so, the player is allowed. The BLAPL be re-registered as CRLA and matter be placed before the assigned bench. Yes.
I'm grateful, your lordship.
Item 15.
May I please, your lordship? This is the successive bail application. The last bail application, BLAPL number 12214/2023, has been disposed of on first
13 rejection order shows that
Page?
page 13, my lords, fourth line, my lords, shows that the petitioner along with
Fourth line.
fourth line, page 13, fourth line from the top. After completion of investigation, charge sheet submitted against 29 number of accused persons under section 147, 148, 332, 353, 307, 294, 149 IPC, section 9B Indian Explosive Act, section 7 Criminal Law Amendment Act, and section 3 and 4 of the Explosive Act. During investigation, accused Hon'Ble was arrested and forwarded to court. Subsequently, was released on bail. Thereafter, due to his non-appearance before the court, the NBW was issued by the court of
Okay.
JMFC Kodala.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was on bail, but due to non-taking of steps on the date fixed, that is on 21/12/2022, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him, and he was apprehended by the police and produced before the court on 3/12/2020. তারপরে বেলজিয়াম ফরম্যাট করিয়ে allow করবে।
Item 17.
Condition 417, 376, 2N. Item 17.
Have you received the case diary?
Just as.
Hmm?
I've received this case diary.
You have received.
Received it case, but today, I've received it today.
Oh, received it today, not bound.
I ordered dated
Yes,
14/3/2023 in BLAPL number 5410 by 2022. The Lordship had given liberty to the petitioner to file bail application after the examination of the victim girl. And after the examination of the victim girl, the petitioner filed a application before the lawyer session judge Soman's Jharsuguda, and that was rejected on the ground that the offense under section 376 is not compoundable. But the copy of the deposition, I have filed certified copy. Might kindly go through it. She has stated that she wants to stay with her husband and
we had love affair with each other. Accused had not committed any
Item 18.
Has been. It is a custody man for more than 8 years.
It is under the UAP Act.
Ah,
It is under the Unlawful Activities of Prevention Act. CD would be necessary.
CD finance. It on fresh matter.
Fresh matter.
Well, it is custody more than 8 years man. Repeated direction this unlawful manner that is not completed by the end of
Kebe last direction
last was 8/11/2024 in bill appeal number
No, this is a
2187.
fresh matter after the CD.
Just a minute. Plan and trial court shall do well to day-to-day basis and so on so at liberty to renew the prayer in January is all the acha. Tare gote kama korante. Plan and counsel for the petitioner submitted that when the petitioner approached this court last time for bail in BLAPL number 2187 of 2024, the same was rejected by order dated 8/11/2024. However, taking into account the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody for more than 8 years, the petitioner was given liberty to renew the prayer for bail in January 2025 if all the prosecution witnesses are not examined by that date. Stop. The learning counsel for the petitioner and the copy of the order was also directed to be communicated the Land Trial Court for compliance. The Land Counsel for the petitioner submits that in spite of such order, the prosecution witnesses, all the prosecution witnesses have not been examined. As on date, stop. Let a status report be called for from the Land Trial Court, which will specifically indicate the reason as to why the order of this court dated 8/11/2024 passed in BLAPL number 2187 of 2024 has not been complied with. Stop. Subpart. Land Counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary. Out of this matter on such and such day. You give the deposition copies of the witnesses to the deposition copy of the witnesses examined till date be handed over to the Land and Counsel for the state in the meantime. Yeah.
Principal case, bill case, so I convicted for 7 years. This is remand case. Already under the judgment also principal case.
That is,
Item 19.
19 letter अच्छी दूसरे कौन से letter margin है? Appeal the letter, no further order is required. Next.
Item 20.
Sir, Mr. Mark has gone to Village for appealing Sudipya father. I prefer one.
In IA number 256 of 2023 is an application for modification of order dated 9/11/2021. A mention is made on behalf of Mr. N.C. Mahanti for adjournment. Please this matter. Urgent present.
Item 21.
Later extension of time allowed.
Item 22.
Is also extension of time allowed.
Item 23.
Modification of order.
What modification?
Your lordship, the custody date is 31/10/2024, but the date has been mentioned at 2/11/2020. The petition is arrested on 31/10/2024.
The IA number so and so application for modification of the order dated 7/1/2025. After hearing the Land and Counsel for this so and so and going through the averments taken in the interim application, the custody date which has been mentioned in page 2 of the bail order as 2/11/2024 shall be read as
31/10/2020.
31/10/2024. The rest part of the order shall remain unaltered, i.e. disposed of.